Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a FaucetPay account. If you want to create a FaucetPay account, first you need a Gmail address. If you don't have a Gmail address, go to the link and I will teach you link in description to open it. I will teach you how to create a Gmail account. Okay, first go to sign up. Now I'm in the sign up panel. First you need a username, a unique username. No one ever used that username. Put in here an email address and password and repeat the password. Okay, I come here and I copy my Gmail address. Okay, first I need a unique name. Okay, this is my unique name. I paste my Gmail address I copy from here my Gmail. I type my password. Be sure your password is strong password. Accept the all rules of policy and click I am not a robot. The captcha says the chimney. Just click the chimney, verified, and sign up. Then you sign up. They will send you a confirmation email. I save this. Okay, come here and refresh the page. Sometimes it gets a little time to come. Okay, just you see my confirmation come. I click in here. This is my link to give me the FaucetPay link. Okay, I click the link and then the Faucet will be open automatically. My name, my password, and then stay login. I click the stay login because I want to log in every time. The traffic light. Okay, verified it. I am not robot. The captcha. Okay, sign up. Then send you another email code. Just come here and go back and just refresh to we see the code. Sometimes give a little time, but it will become. Okay, now you see my code scan. This is my code. I copy this code and come here and paste it to here and log me in. Okay, let's look, you have entered a wrong code. Okay, I copy back. Okay, by mistake I paste my Gmail address. Okay, and now we have our FaucetPay account. Now we want to make something, some satoshis. How we can make? I have some links. Go to the link description. You can find this addresses. You can make it much more good founds of these. Go to the link description. You can find this all websites. You can claim free satoshis, free bitcoins, free litecoin, everything. Just a minute, it will be open like this. It will be open. The website name, if you want to search it, just type it this website name, or you can go to the link in description. Okay, this one give me every 5 minutes claim per day, 50 claim per day, and in here they will tell me the FaucetPay address. How we can find the FaucetPay address? I come here in the deposit, click in deposit panel. What is this currency? This currency is TRX, is Tron currency. How we can find the Tron address? come down, this is a Tron TRX. Come and click it, and they will copy and come here and paste it. Okay, now go to login. Click the H captcha. Okay, the captcha cam I think is all is boot and water. I click the all of these. Anything the captcha want, you just click that. For me it look like all same. I don't know, sometimes captcha come wrongs. Click check. Click login. This one tells you what is it. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. And wait for 2 seconds. 1 and get reward. Okay, now it's 49. This one give me this Satoshi. I come here to my dashboard. We will see how we found our first torrent like this. If you want this website links, I put the whole website. We have the whole currencies in here. All currency you want, either with ethereum, because ethereum is have another situation. I can make another video with ethereum. Okay, now this currency is BTC. I come here, click in here, and come here and paste it in here. The link, go to login. If you want the all website link, go to description, or you can search this website name in your PC. Anything you want. This one, I think this one is bicycle. It's all the same. About that, I click the all. Sometimes the capture is too easy. Sometimes the capture is too hard. If you don't you can't solve the capture, you just click the refresh button and you refresh your capture. Okay, login. This one is same is 6, this one is 9, this one is 4, and this one is 7. Wait 3 to 1 seconds on click the claim. Okay, 4 Satoshis in your FaucetPay. Okay, come here and see how we have the 4 Satoshis. Yes, we have. We can get much more money if we click like this. Okay, thanks for watching. This is the all websites. I put the all links in the description. You can make it a account and you can make it free earning. I tell you the trick. I've been using this trick for many times, many FaucetPay accounts. I have multiple Gmail accounts like this. I have multiple Gmail accounts. Every account is have a FaucetPay and the link and refile link. I use it refile link for any faucets. My faucets I collect it and come here and the refile like this. This one is Satoshi. This one is dogecoin. I didn't use usually this. I use the others faucet and they will come automatically. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye for now. We can see you to the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.